55% of American adults now believe that science and religion are often in conflict. Nearly a quarter of young adults from a Christian background think Christianity is anti-science. Among college freshmen, nearly a third of male students and nearly a fourth of female students now believe that the universe arose by chance. But are science and faith really in conflict? Find out at the Dallas Conference on Science and Faith on January 18th and 19th at Park Cities Baptist Church. Hear from leading scientists and authors how science supports faith.
We're going to be talking about the subject of whether science and faith are compatible.
So are science and faith incompatible? No, just the opposite. Science is providing support for faith.
Early bird discounts end December 14th, so register today.